Good morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the ISO 45001 2018 clause number 7 support. Already we have discussed yesterday competence and awareness. Today we are going to discuss about the communication system. 7.4 clause number communication. You know that why communications need at any industry and anywhere India during the work. Communication system is very strong to improvements because of if you are a bad communication, if you are a poor communication, then we cannot implement health safety culture at your workplace. A system for internal and external communications need to be established and records to communication need to be maintained and our workplace and our industry because of communications means process and passing information and understanding the informations other persons what will be needs and what will be required. So guys, each communication system is very strongly improvement as per given in ISO 45001 and clause number 7.4. So first we think what will be communicate. First things what will we communicate and when will we communicate. Third thing is they are mentioned whom to communicate, with whom to communicate. Fourth is there how to communicate. Means clarity comes by the throughout what the communications what will be communicate, when will be communicate, with whom to communicate and how to communicate. So this is a agenda for if you are going to communication system. Suppose that I want a 1 glass water. For example, I want 1 glass water, but when they communicate, I want the 1 glass water because of I am thirsty. So that I want 1 glass water. If we are found that thirsty means thirsty, then I want 1 glass water. Then whom to communicate means I can say that my wife, please give me 1 glass water. Then how to communicate? By verbally, because of also if you are in a family, so then we can verbally, please give me 1 glass water. For example, same implementation at your constructions project and your organization. Because of communication is very important and importance to passing the message to other person and that person understood your communications. That's called clear communications at any organization. So guys, there is maintained two types of communication. One, internal communications and external communication. Internal communications, how to improvement occupational health safety environment at your workplace, because of that calls internal. If you are communicate under the organizations, that call internal communicate. If anyone's government body and any third party auditors, any interested party of outside, that call external communications. Because of if you are going to use of RMC plant, there is many dust generations your RMC plant, there may be chance of others local community members complain to your organizations. There is also high volume of dust generation by your RMC plant. Kindly need to be take appropriate actions as per your requirement. Means that communications by others external party who is not our under our organization's control, so that call external communication. If same internally we are going to discuss related the hazard identifications, related the any risk unwanted risk find out at workplace, then we can communicate with we can communicate with our project managers and our staffs in that called internal communication system. So guys, two types of communication in our workplace also maintained in this clauses. So guys, again we are going to discuss about the why communications needs. Communication, if you are going to suppose that tower crane, using of tower crane, because if you are not you have not proper communicating the tower crane and between signalmen, then may be chance of accidents happen at your workplace. Because of this is a fact reason too. If you are poor, if you have any poor communications with the staff, with the external and interested party, that may be chance of impact your organization. So 3-4 types communications we will consider. First is verbal. If you are going to some observations, maybe pass the message to verbal communication, because of verbal communication is first communications, verbal. After that you can verbally instructed to some work, they have not completed verbal, then we can go through written. Written means 2-3 types of writtens. First we have written take and blank papers, written and observations that take signed by others person, that called written observation. After that, emailing is also written communications, but by email. After that you are going to discuss videography and videography. You can also chat on WhatsApp if this is a very unsafe work. Your observation today, nowadays every organization make a WhatsApp group and communicate with the communications with the WhatsApp groups. Some video post on WhatsApp group. This is a communication process. Maybe some persons working unsafe work at your workplace, means videography and photography. That all are communications standards in our organization. First, verbal communications not recorded. Because of this is also go through improvement of organization. Written communications is recordable. Written communications, mail communications, and photography communications and videography communications. 5 type of communications major implemented, major follow at our project. So guys, every employer and organization make a proper communication system in your organization for clear understanding to others persons. There no any gap should be found if you are going to any risk assessments and hazard assessment at workplace. Organization also should be care external communications, internal communications, like the any government body, others persons. So consider about all communications with the linkage to improvement of occupational health safety management system at your work. So guys, clear understanding and share the each and every communications related the occupational health safety management system, how to improvements like OHS policy, your procedures, your risk assessment, everything need to be communicate to others persons, so they can implement occupational health safety management system at your organization. If any finding out some mistakes, some safety violation, then you can make a memo. We can make a mails and send the responsible person for improvement purpose. And sometimes we can use the videography and video. This maybe if any dangerous occurrence at projects, maybe chance of fatality accident, then we can make a video and send to responsible person for proper understanding purpose and improvement and health safety culture at your workplace. So guys, we can start next point, documentation information 7.5 sub clauses under the support. Documentation information is also important part if you are going to work under the any organization as a also safety professional, because of importance of documents is a legal requirement. If you are going to work in safety department, then need to be monitor and care about the documentation information, because of this is a very important. If you are going to face the problem, any incident happen at your workplace. So guys, documentations also part of our work, because if you are not follow the documentations records, then we cannot prove that we are documentations. We can not clarity about the documentation information. So guys, if you are working a safety professional, then also consider about the documentations proper record at your workplace. Suppose that if you have a EHS policy, make a EHS policy, then we can proper informations and documentations record, display your documentation information for more awareness purpose with all workers and all other stakeholders regarding the more awareness purpose. After that, you have make a safety procedures. Also we can record it, safety procedures and hazard identifications, risk assessment, EPR plans, emergency preparedness response plan. Also we have to conduct every 3 months mock drill related the in case any scenario at your workplace, like worker fall from height, fire emergency, that all we can consider about the documentation information. If you are going to conduct a toolbox talk, then also need to be signature and who will be conducted the safety inductions, proper record maintained in your file. In case of anyone's asked to that person's how much times safety induction conducted, safety toolbox conducted, safety HSS training conducted, then you must be recordables every proactively approach. Suppose that if you have some inspection checklist, if you are using the power tools and other machinery, then also inspection checklist should be maintained at your workplace with proper records. So documentation information also record at your workplace, because of this is an important part of work. If you are working a safety professional, then 50% achievement by documentations if you are a safety professional, because of if you are working hard work, there is nothing any documentation documentations record, then we cannot tolerate your organizations also senior person, because of they are not proper standard to work. So guys, also list of legal requirement at BOCW Act. As per BOCW Act, there is mentioned list of legal requirements, so that we have to proper documentations record as per BOCW Act. If you have a hazardous waste substance, then how to dispose that. If you have a first aid center, then how to dispose the biomedical wastage, some debris, some cements, motor cements and debris and other material wasted in your organization, how to dispose and where you dispose, and what will be your they have submitted some license and others agreements for a government body. If you have not done, then may be penalize your organizations by government body. So also documentations information, clear improvements and proper records till the your project not end. And every trainings, safety trainings, work permit systems, inspection checklist, work procedures, EPR mock drill, all things which are implemented by your organizations carefully maintain documentations information, and also that documentations information should be provided to others persons like workers, supervisors, contractors. Others person will be understand what is important of documentations, what will be need to be documentation your workplace. Thanks guys, today we have completed 7 number clause resources. Again we have discussed about the 8 number clauses. 8 number clauses like improve performance evaluations, operations, sorry for that. 8 number clauses we have discussed operations, then we have discussed performance evaluation, after that improvement. So guys, completed today we have completed 7 number clause resources. Thanks guys. If any questions we can ask, we can ask to me by message.